Look around you. Every single day, time moves forward, and with it, the world evolves. But here is the profound truth that separates those who merely survive from those who truly build a legacy. Time can be your greatest asset, or your heaviest burden. Too many people treat money as something to be spent, traded away for fleeting comforts and temporary distractions. They let inflation quietly eat away at their hard work, watching years slip by without building a foundation for tomorrow. Investing is your declaration of independence. It is the moment you decide that your money shouldn't just sit there. It should work as hard for you as you work for it. It is planting a seed today so that tomorrow you can rest in the shade of a tree you grew yourself.
The power of the long game. Think about the greatest achievements in human history. They weren't built overnight. They were forged through consistency, patience, and unwavering discipline. Consistency beats perfection. You don't need a fortune to start. You just need momentum. Time is your ultimate multiplier. The market rewards those who stay, not those who try to time it. Every dollar invested is a vote of confidence in your future self. Take control of your destiny. When you invest, you are choosing to rewrite your story. You are stepping off the treadmill of immediate gratification and stepping onto the path of enduring freedom. You are telling yourself, your family, and your future that you refuse to leave your destiny to chance. The best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The second best time is right now. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Step up, take control, and let your future self thank you for the courage you show today. Your journey starts now.